Welcome to Thursday night, Cooking with Kevin. I have my helper here tonight, Lloyd. So last night we made a roast. It was really good. We have leftovers. I'm going to show you what we're going to do with the leftovers. Some onions here, peppers, and our roast beef. So I'm going to saute our onions, our peppers, get them going. We're going to add the beef in. We're going to put it all on this delicious bun. Our buns. Add some barbecue sauce, cheese, pop it in the oven. Anyways, stay tuned. We'll bring you back.
There's the yummy peppers and onions. And I've changed my mind with the barbecue sauce because we had leftover gravy last night.
Yeah.
So I've decided I'm going to dip my sandwich in gravy instead. What about you?
I'm thinking the same.
And what's in the oven?
French fries and Lloyd's pogo.
Yes, because Lloyd won't eat the beef sandwiches. So that's what we're doing. I'll bring you back.
Oh, you're recording? Oh, okay.
I'm recording.
Oh. All right. So, it's all cooked. Now time to assemble.
Oh, I wish you guys could smell this.
Sandwich. Ooh, smell-o-vision. Wouldn't that be good? All our
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
onions, roast beef, not green pepper, peppers.
Red, yellow, and orange.
Yeah.
It was what we had left
We
over.
don't buy a lot of green anymore because we buy them in the package.
Yeah, exactly. Yep.
Okay.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yeah.
I would spread the meat all over and then put the cheese and we can just fold it in half.
It is all spread all over.
No, I meant on both sides.
Okay. Whose cooking show is this? Mine. Yeah. No. So, you just never mind.
All right. So we had some leftover mozzarella cheese from, when did we, from the pizzas the other day.
Yeah.
Oh, you decided to come and join us, did you? Oh. You're having pogos. Yeah.
Okay.
So we had some leftover mozzarella and I had a little bit of Gouda. So.
What do you mean that?
Not Gouda, Havarti. Kevin's giving me that look like, what? No. They're both yummy cheeses, so I don't mind. It is yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum.
I think you did enough.
I know. That's all right. It's yummy. That's good. I don't need it.
Yeah.
So look at those sandwiches, guys. Look at those.
Where's my pogo?
What about your pogo?
Where
And
are they?
fries and the pogos are in the oven. Are they about to come out? Oh, they are.
Well, I don't know about the fries yet.
Almost. Almost. Oh, so everybody I gotta put this little word out there. So I was talking to Catherine from Catherine's Plate, and her and I have decided that we are going to do something fun together. We haven't picked a date, but she's going to try and cook one of my family's favorites, and I'm going to cook one of her family's favorites. So
Take the stool.
be looking for that. I'm not quite sure when we're doing it. We haven't discussed timing, but that's what we're doing. So anyway, I'll bring you back when we're plating the food.
Okay. We're out of the oven. Time.
Yummy, yummy,
Yeah, come on the plates.
You must.
Are they a little
Ha
hot?
ha ha. Yeah.
Well, it's falling apart, but that's good, isn't it? Yummy.
That looks disgusting.
No, it doesn't. It looks yummy.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Yummy,
Okay.
yummy.
So
No,
are we
no, no,
gonna back to the table?
Mm-hmm.
And-
All right, Lloyd, let's see your plate.
Hey, no, don't stop for me. It's not complete.
What you got? What you got on your plate?
So I'm gonna put ketchup on it,
Mm-hmm.
and I got some French fries and 2 pokers.
Yummy. All right, take a bite. Somehow, I'm using a knife and fork, obviously, because mine fell apart.
I don't want that pork. Oh yeah, we decided not to do the barbecue sauce.
Yeah, we already told them that. Mm-mm-mm. Looking yummy. All right, so there you have it.
Everything is delicious.
Another Cooking with Kevin.
Bye.
Well, he's got his mouth full still. Yeah, we'll bring you back on another week.
We might. Oh yeah, but we might bring you back on Sunday. If
Oh,
not,
tie-dye.
yeah, we
I
might
guess
bring
we
you.
better.
Yeah, but that's
Yeah.
not cooking with Kevin.
Yeah. All right, we'll talk to everybody later. Have a good night.
Right.